guys, my name is Priyanka and in this video I will be talking about Havells Calido fan heater that I recently bought for my apartment. So let's get started. This Havells Calido fan heater is equipped with a PTC ceramic heating element that provides faster, safer and energy efficient heating. Furthermore, its oscillation feature offers multi-directional heating. This safe-to-use heater has a thermostat to control the temperature. It also provides the ample safety features such as auto-off feature. If the heater trips or falls, it will automatically switch off. Also, this heater comes with a cleanable dust filter which makes the heater dust-free and easy to clean. Havells Calido fan heater is a great way to keep yourself warm on cold days. You must give it a try.